Assalamualaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to NIVS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of NIVS Deship. I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is sending an email. I will discuss how to send an email. In our last class, we talked about how to open an email account. Our today's discussion is how to send an email. It's a very easy and interesting topic. Whenever you have a internet connected computer, running computer, then you need to go to a Google browser. You can choose any browser. It can be Yahoo browser or it can be Google Chrome or anything else. After clicking on browser, then you need to write www.gmail.com or you will get a page where there will be given Gmail. So write on Gmail, then you will get another page. Whenever this page will appear to you, then you need to click on compose. You need to write your email ID. After using your email ID, it's needed to click or give your password. After inserting your password, then a page will appear to you. And the left side of the page, you must have a look on compose. At the right side of the page, that word will be given compose. Whenever you will click this, you need to take your cursor on compose and click it here. After clicking it, then a page will appear to you like this. The type of page will come to you. Then beside the header, to write your friend's email. You need to write your friend's email. After writing email, then you need to write something in your subject line. After writing in subject line, then compose a letter in the blank space. A blank space will appear to you like a letter. Here you should write your letter. Here you should write your letter. So after writing, whenever your writing is finished, then another option will appear to you like send. You must click on send button, then your email will be sent to your friend's email ID. But before sending this email, you can add some photos, some videos, some word files, etc. Beside this sending email, here is another option will be here. Here will be written attachment or attach. Whenever you will click on attach, then your computer desk will appear to you. Then you can select your photos, you can select your videos or any other files. So after selecting, then your email is ready to be sent. Now you can send here and your email will be sent immediately. Okay, now click on the send button and send your email. Tell your friend to open his or her email account and ask whether he or she has received your email or not. Have you understood everything? Okay, now we will try to discuss about how to sign out from your email account. Put the cursor to the right of your email account, the profile menu will appear and that type of page will appear. And then you can select a file from a location and click on the button, and this is the safe way to signing out. Whenever you will get this page, and this is the very easy and secure place to sign out. Your email account will remain safe. This means your email account and password will be protected from being hacked. So attachment, I have also showed you how to use an attachment. Now you can have a look here. Last one is select a file from a location and click the open button. The file will be attached to email. How much time it will take to attach will depend on the size of profile and the speed of your internet connection. If your connection is high speed, then it will take a moment. It will be sent very easily and very quickly. So this is all about our today's class. I hope you have understood how to send an email. It's very easy way. Now take your SW. Your SW is make 5 MCQ type questions from this chapter. In our last class, we talked about how to open an email account, and today's class is how to send an email account. So from this chapter, from this lesson, you can make 5 MCQ as your SW and submit this SW coming Sunday and collect previous SW also. Stay safe, stay home, listen to your parents and take preparation for annual examination. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.